What's the meaning of Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a carbonated soft drink that was first introduced in 1886 by pharmacist John Pemberton. The name Coca-Cola is derived from the ingredients used in the original recipe, which included coca leaves and cola nuts. Today, the formula has been modified and the drink contains a blend of natural flavors, caffeine, and high-fructose corn syrup. Coca-Cola has since become one of the world's most popular soft drinks, with a brand that is recognized globally. It is valued for its unique taste, refreshing qualities, and association with happiness and enjoyment.